So hello everyone and welcome back to another video of our channel of full on coding. So this is the day 3 or the third video for DSA series lecture 3, and today we are going to solve a LeetCode easy problem, and problem number is 234, palindrome linked list. So yeah, let's see what the problem tells us it wants us to write the code for. So it is written, given the head of a singly linked list, return true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. Okay, so we need to return true if the head of a singly linked list is palindrome, or we need to return false. Here the head is 1221, so here it is true, as if you reverse it, right, you would get the same order only. If you reverse 1221, you will get 1221, so it will be the same only. And for example 2, it is not palindrome, as 1 2 it will become 2 1, so it is not palindrome. Here some constraints are given, and you know how we will solve this particular problem in Java code. So yeah, let's get along with it and make it easy for you, so that you could easily understand this particular problem. And whichever interview this particular problem question comes of palindrome linked list, you can solve this particular problem. So yeah, let's start. First of all, we will define a particular list of integer data type, and we will name it as list, which will be a what, which will be a array list, right? Yeah. So after defining the array list, we will check the head, as it is a singly linked list. So if the head is present, then only we will perform some operations to check that whether it is palindrome or not. So if the head is not equal to null, then what we do, we do list of add head dot val. We take the value of the head of the singly linked list, so that we could get the first value, and we add it in the list which we defined in the above code here. Now what we are going to do, we are moving to the next value of the singly linked list. So yeah, we move to the next value, and then we define this particular value of left, initialize it as 0 for now, and we take the right value, and we are making that right value to be the last value of the particular code, right? We make this last value as list dot size will return the size of the list. It doesn't start from 0, as it is not indexing, so it will return the value, and we will do it for -1 because we are starting this left from 0. If we would have started the left from 1, then we could have just given right equal to list dot size, but as we have started from 0, so we need to give list dot size -1. Yeah, now we are going to give this particular condition, like how this particular case, if it is falling, then it would be a palindrome. So if left is while left is less than right, and your particular list dot get value of left is equal to doubles equals to list dot get right, which means definitely we are getting the same number only. So what we are giving over here in this particular while statement, we will do left plus plus, that we will move towards the left, means we will start moving from left to right, as left is going plus plus, and we will do what, right minus minus. We are declining from the particular last value. So yeah, this is the main concept of this particular code. And now we will return what, return left greater than equal to right. If it will be true, then it would be a palindrome number. If it would be false, then it wouldn't be a palindrome number. So yeah, let's give it a run. So as you have seen, it is getting accepted. So yeah, you can follow this particular tutorial to solve this particular problem of palindrome linked list. singly linked list particularly, it is a very not very easy question, but a very mindful question. If you are getting it right, then you could easily solve this particular problem and get over it. I use Java code because it is easy to understand for me, as I have done my development in Java also too. So that is the reason why I prefer Java. If you want any other language solution, comment down below. I will try to make that particular next LeetCode problems in that language only, and I would give my 100% to get good in that syntax, because if you get good in the syntax, then you can only write in that particular language, right? So yeah, this was all from my side for problem number 234, which is two pointers, which we discussed in the first video of arrays and pointers. So yeah, I thought that it would be easier for you to solve problems after getting the head of all look about the particular topic and then solving some particular questions. So yeah, I am making up to this only, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.